Sometimes you need to just sit and spend some time in nature, not doing anything, just watching how every tiny living thing fits into its own environment. It can really help you find your own place in the world. In the 3 weeks that we've been living in the van, we've found ourselves in nature so much more than we ever did. We've found little places to park up that we wouldn't have discovered otherwise, places that we can sit and watch a sunrise before work, places that we can just make a cup of tea and go and explore in the outdoor world that is now our garden. For the first time in my life, I'm actually enjoying getting up with the sunshine. I'm not a morning person, but I do have my morning routines. Every day when I get into my shop, I light a candle and some incense and sit quietly, just putting my thoughts in order. If I get the opportunity during the day to sit outside and enjoy the sunshine, I certainly do. There are always quiet periods through any working day for me, whether it's because I want to take a break from what I'm doing, or over lunchtime when the shop generally is quieter. I very often find a spot outside and just enjoy the day. You're a funny girl, Tilly. One of the reasons I enjoy being self-employed is that you get out of it what you put in, both from a productivity point of view, but also from a well-being point of view. If I need to take 5 minutes in the day, I can do. I can go and find a quiet corner. I can close the shop if I'm particularly stressed or my anxiety is getting to be too much. Likewise, if I want to earn more money, I can easily do that. I can make new products, I can design new products, I can source new things that I can be inspired about. And as far as time goes, I probably work far longer hours than I ever have done being employed. But because I can structure my own day, I really don't feel like I work any hours at all. We've enjoyed 3 weeks of sunsets and sunrises from the van, and it's been wonderful learning our new routines. But in that time, we have also spent some time travelling to and from my father's garage. We are still building the van, and quite a lot of the interior remains to be finished. So every few days we're continuing to do little bits of work, making our tiny home on wheels feel like home.